Hi, I'm Peter Cresse from Unified Systems, Inc. We're lighting it up here at Fiber Connect 25. And the way we're doing that is looking at artificial intelligence. I know a lot of people are talking about AI, but when machines and humans work together as perfect partners with fiber and AI, we can create one great network. And that's what we're doing. From the data center to the middle mile to the access network to the digital AI home. What we're doing is making a secure network. And it's not just quality of service, it's the quality of experience that you can see all the way from the beginning to the end in that experience. At USI, what we're doing is we've made a commitment to the platform where people and systems can come together, where we can capture that intelligence. And so at Fiber Connect, what we're discovering now is how that's moving forward. AI is really part of the future, and we're excited to be part of the Fiber Broadband Association at this conference this year.